If we for some reason wish to copy a module within a system, go to the Edit Module Layout section. There is Copy Grid, Copy drop-down menu. Select the Copy option. Then you need to select modules you wish to copy and press Enter or Space. After, you will be asked to specify base point on the module or near to snap while copying module. Then select Target Point. Click on any point in the model space where you wish it be placed. You can click few times to make multiple copies in different places. To finalize copying, press Enter or Space. If you need to copy module within a system with the same row pitch as other modules have, select the Copy Grid option. Then you need to select modules you wish to copy and press Enter or Space. Then select Target Point. Click on the point in the model space where you wish it will be placed. Modules will be placed with the same row pitch as copied modules. You can click few times to make multiple copies in different places. To finalize copying, press Enter or Space. We can also change the placement of the module within a system. On the Edit Module Layout section, there is Move Grid, Move drop-down menu. Select the Move option. Then you need to select modules you wish to move and press Enter or Space. After, you will be asked to specify base point on the module or near to snap while moving module. Then select Target Point. Click on the any point in the model space where you wish it will be placed. Modules will be installed in the place you have specified. If you need to move module within a system with the same row pitch as other modules, select the Move Grid option. Then you need to select modules you wish to move and press Enter or Space. Then select Target Point. Click on the point in the model space where you wish it will be placed. Modules will be placed with the same row pitch as moved modules. We can replace a module within a system to another panel model. On the Edit Module Layout section, there is Replace Grid, Replace drop-down menu. Select the Replace option. Select modules you wish to replace and press Enter or Space. This will bring up a pop-up window. In the window, we need to select necessary parameters and select new modules type we wish to replace on. The boxes for brand, type, power behave like a search tools. Therefore, if you start typing one of the parameters, it will narrow your search options and what is most important, lower your search time. Other than you can also change is the color of the replaced modules to show in the project that they are different from others. If you wish to select some other color, just click an ellipsis. Select the color and click OK. Click OK and your modules will be replaced with newly selected module. We can replace a grid in our system that is to change all the modules in a certain boundary with another model. Select the Replace Grid option. This will bring a pop-up window. Select the boundary you wish to edit in the Boundary section. Change the color if you prefer another color for the system. Search and select from the list new module you wish to implement into your system, and with which you will replace the current existing modules. Click OK and your grid system will be generated and replaced with newly selected module. You don't need to erase or undo your previously built system. The software automatically detects and rebuilds the system with the newest parameters. Congratulations, you've replaced the modules on your layout. If you wish to distinguish some modules within a system, you can separate them into a group which will belong to a separate layer. On the Edit Module Layout section, there is Create Group option. Select the modules you wish to group and press Enter or Space. This will bring a pop-up window. In the window, you need to enter new layer name for grouped modules. If you have East-West system, you can tick to create two layers East and West modules separately. Change the layer color if you prefer another color for the grouped modules. Just click on ellipsis. Select the color in the pop-up window with palette and click OK. On the Edit Module Layout section, there is Delete option. This will allow you to delete a module within a system. Select the modules you wish to delete. Press Enter or Space. Selected modules will be deleted from drawing. Layout boundary is a very important part of the project as it contains all the information stored in it. If we need to copy not only some modules but the whole module layout, we can use a specific feature. On the Layout Boundary section, there is the Copy option. The software will then ask you to pick point inside boundary. Click inside boundary. Then you need to specify base point. Click on the point with which boundary will be snapped on. The boundary will follow your cursor. Select target point to place it and click where you need. To finish, press Enter or Space. PV layout boundary will be copied. We can also erase from drawing not only some modules but the whole module layout. On the Layout Boundary section, there is the Delete option. The software will then ask you to pick point inside boundary. Click inside boundary you want to delete modules in. If you want to delete all modules in all layout boundaries, select Delete All option in the right mouse click menu. To finish, press Enter or Space. All the modules inside the selected boundary will be deleted.